Okay, good morning, Year 7. Today we're moving on to the next part of Chapter 11, which is about fractions of amounts. So finding fractions of amounts or fractions of quantities. You might have heard it be before. So today's lesson is going to be based on My Maths. Okay, you've got a My Maths task to do for your lesson today once you've watched this video. So we'll start off going through the lesson on My Maths. So that will help you do the homework task. So firstly, 1 out of 10 sections of this circle are shaded. What fraction is this? We would know that would mean that it would be 1/10 is shaded. Let's see if that's right. Lovely, good. Let's have a look at this then. So what fraction is this? Well, we know it's 2/10. 2/10 are actually shaded there, 2 out of 10. But what we can see is that if we simplified that fraction, it would be equal to 1/5 is actually shaded. Okay, so 2/10 is equal to 1/5, and you shouldn't put 2/10. You should simplify your fraction as much as possible, and so the correct answer would actually be 1/5. If you didn't simplify your answer, then it wouldn't be correct, so you've got to be careful like that. So let's have a look at some of these. Shade a quarter. So we've got 12 squares here. What's a quarter of 12? Well, a quarter of 12 is the same as dividing it by 4. So what's 12 divided by 4? That's 3. So let's shade a quarter. And you can see that's a quarter, isn't it? Because we've got 1 row of 3 and then we've got 3 rows of 3 there. Have a look at this. 1/5. So we need 1 row shaded out of those 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1 column is shaded out of those 5 columns, and that's a 1/5. There are 15 squares there, and a 1/5 of 15 is 3. So that's why we've shaded three squares there. Shade 3/5. So if 1/5 there was 3, 2/5 would be another one, and 3/5 would be a third column. Next one, 5/8. How many have we got here? We've got 16 squares here. 5/8 of 16. Well, firstly, we've got to think about what 1/8 is. What's 1/8 of 16? Well, 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 1/8 is 2. So if that's 1/8, that would be 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, and 5/8. Then let's have a look at the rest of it. So this last one here, shade 5/6. So we've got to think about what's 1/6 first, and then we'll shade 5 of them. So how many have I got? I've got 12 squares. 12 divided by 6 to find 1/6 is 2. So 1/6 is 2 squares. 2/6 would be that. 3/6 would be that. 4/6 would be that. And 5/6 would be that. Let's have a look at that. Lovely, all correct. Let's have a look at these. So what fraction of these shapes is shaded? So we've got to think about how many we've got that are shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many there are altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 over 12, but I can't leave it like that. That's not correct. I need to simplify that fraction. So I could simplify it to 3/6. But then I know that I could also divide both of those by 3 and I would get a half, and that's the simplest form that you can get that in. That's the correct answer. Let's have a look up here, this one. 1 is shaded out of 6. That's fine. We can't do anything with that. We can't simplify that. So we'll leave it like that. Let's have a look at the green one. How many is shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 on the top. Out of how many? 9 out of 18. Well, 9 is half of 18, so I know that can simplify to be a half as well. And then let's have a look here, the blue one, the dark blue one. 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I can divide that by 2, so I get 2/6. And then I can divide that by 2 again, so I get 1/3. Okay, 1/3. Let's see if that's right. Lovely. So you see that we have to simplify your fraction, otherwise you won't get the right answer. Now let's have a look at these questions here. So Steve has 12 sweets. He eats 2/3 of them. How many is this? Now, 2/3 of the sweets means you've got to find 1/3 first and then times that by 2. So let's think about how many sweets we have. We've got 12. So we've got to find 1/3 of 12, which is the same as doing 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so that means 1/3 is 4. We need 2 of them, so 2 times 4 is 8. So basically, a good trick for you to know is that if you divide by the denominator and then multiply by the numerator, that's how you find a fraction of an amount. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So you can see that 1/3 is 4 sweets, 2/3 would be 8 sweets altogether, which is 8. So if you divide by the 3 times by the 2, you get the right answer. Let's see if that works for this one. So we would have to do 18 divided by 6, which is 3, and then 3 times 5, which is 15. Let's see if that works out. In each group, so 1/6 is going to be 3, like we found out, and we need 5 groups of 3 apples, which is 15 of them altogether. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, which is what each group is. Times it by 5 to find what 5/6 is, which gives you 15. So let's have a look if we can do this without any pictures. So 2/3 of 9, well, if we do 9 divided by 3 is 3, times by 2 is 6. 25, oh, gone wrong one, sorry. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. That's how it got up to here. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 3, 15. And then last one down here, 60 divided by 10 is 6. 6 times by 7 is 42. So if we divide by the denominator and times by the numerator each time, we should get this right. Okay, so I'm going to see how many I can get right in 2 minutes. Let's have a look. 25 divided by 10 is 2.5. 2.5 times by 4 is 10. Okay, 80 divided by 10 is 8. 8 times 7, 56. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 66 divided by 6 is 11. 11 times 5 is 55. 25 divided by 10 is 2.5. 2.5 times 2 is 5. 80 divided by 10 is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 times 6, 24. You see how this works now? How you can just do this number divided by the denominator, then multiplied by the numerator. You will get the right answer every single time. So maybe some of you will be able to beat this. There's no point me carrying on. But I would like you to do the homework task now called fractions of amounts. And I look forward to seeing your scores, Year 7. Okay, hopefully this has been helpful for you. Little tip, remember, divide by the denominator, multiply by the numerator, this number here. So 10 divided by 5 was 2. 2 times 3 would give you 6. And so the answer would be 6, etc., etc. And that's how you find a fraction of an amount. Okay. Any problems, remember, you know where I am. You just need to email me or send me a comment or anything like that on your work. And I look forward to seeing your scores, as I said, on the My Maths task. Okay.